Welcome to all to this mathematics class. Then today we discuss the solving the system of linear equations by matrix method. So one equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This is the three linear equations in three variables, solving this by matrix method. So let A is equal to, matrix A is equal to A1, B1, C1. First equations coefficient A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and x is equal to x, y, z, and b is equal to right hand side d1, d2, d3. Let A is equal to coefficient and x is equal to variable matrix x, y, z, and b is the right hand side constant matrix. Then this matrix, this linear equation can be written in the form Ax is equal to b. Product method, multiplying Ax is equal to left hand side we can get, and right hand b is equal to right hand side. So multiplying each side by A inverse into A into x is equal to A inverse into b. A inverse into A is equal to Ix. Ix is equal to A inverse b. I into x is equal to x. Identity matrix into x. X is equal to A inverse b. Therefore, x is equal to, variable matrix x is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into b. This is the method to find the variable matrix. Using matrices, find the variable matrix x, column matrix x is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into b. This is the method solving to find the solution of the system of linear equation by matrix method. X is equal to, variable matrix x is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into b. Remember, by solving the linear equation by matrix method, first we take a coefficient matrix as the 3 by 3 square matrix A, and x is a variable matrix, a column matrix, and b is the right hand side constant matrix. Then after simplification we get x is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj into b. So solve by matrix method. Solve by matrix method. Solve by matrix method. Question: x plus y plus 2z is equal to 4. X minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Third equation, 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 3. So this is the three linear equation First we take A is equal to coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y 1, coefficient of z 2. Second linear equation, coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y minus 2, coefficient of z 1. The third equation 2 minus 1, coefficient of z 2. This is the matrix A. Variable matrix is equal to column base x, y, z. Constant matrix, right hand side constants are d1, d2, 4, 0, 3. First we find adjoint of A, determinant of A. So adjoint of A, cofactor of the element A11. A11 is equal to sign positive, delete the row and column containing minus 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2. Answer is minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus of minus plus 1 minus 3. A12 is equal to negative of minor of 1 2. Delete the row and column containing first row, second row, 1 1 2 2. Then answer is 0. A2 1 3 is equal to positive into M13 is equal to delete the first column and first row and the third column. Then we get 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to positive minus plus 3. Again, A21 is negative M. Delete the row, second row and first column. Then we get a 1 2 minus 1 2 is equal to 2 minus of 1 into 2 minus of minus plus 2 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. A22 sign is positive, M22 minor. Delete second row and second column delete. 1 2 2 2 is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Again, A23 is equal to, sign is negative, M23 is equal to minus into, delete the row and the column containing second row and the third column, 1 1 2 minus 1. Result is minus 1 minus minus 3 is equal to plus 3. Again, cofactor of the element is 3 1 positive. Delete the third row and the first column. Determine 1 2 minus 2 1 positive sign. 1 minus minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Again, A32 is equal to negative into, delete the second, third row and the second, we get a minus second, third row, second column. Then we get a 1 2 1 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Again, A33 positive, delete the second, delete the element, third row and the third column. We get a positive minor 1 1 1 minus 2. Third row, third column. Result is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So, adjoint of A is equal to cofactor matrix transpose is equal to A11 minus 3, 0 down 3. Again, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, plus 3. Again, A315, 1, minus 3. This is adjoint of A. Determinant of A is equal to A11 into cofactor 11 plus A12 into A12, A13 into A13. First row elements 1 into A11 minus 3 plus A12, 1 into cofactor A12, 0 plus first row third element 2 into cofactor of A13 first row 3. Then answer become minus 3 plus 0 plus 6. Plus 3 is the determinant of A. Plus 3, then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore, X is equal to 1 by A inverse 1 by determinant of A into adjoint into B. 1 by determinant of A 3 into cofactor matrix and adjoint of A transpose of the cofactor matrix. We got a adjoint of A minus 3, minus 4, 5. 3, 0, minus 2, 1. 3, 3, minus 3. Right hand side row matrix, constant matrix D1, D2, D3 is 4, 0, 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into determinant of A, 1 by 3 into multiply AB, 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 1 matrix. Result is 3 by 1. So, row with first row with the first column. Then multiply minus 3 into 4 plus minus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. Again 0 into 4 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 3. Again R3 with the C1, 3 into 4 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 3 into 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into simplify minus 12 plus 15, 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3. Again 12 plus minus 9. 12 plus minus 9 is 3. Therefore, 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3, dividing by 3. Then we get x value is equal to matrix x, y, z is our x, capital X is equal to matrix 1, 1, 1, which implies that solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. That is solving by, this is a method to find solve the system, find the solution of the variables. First coefficient matrix, take a variable matrix, a column matrix x, y, z, and a right hand side constant matrix, a column wise. Then find a adjoint of the matrix method, capital A11, A12, etc. 9 cofactor. Then adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor. Row become column, second row become column, third row become column. Then formula x is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 by 3 into adjoint matrix into B. Then multiplying, we get a matrix 3, 3, 3. Dividing by 3, we get x, y, z is equal to 1 by 1, 1, 1. Solution x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This is a method, a matrix method to solve the given linear equation. So, do another question. Solve by matrix method. Solve by matrix method. Question: x plus y plus z is equal to 6. X minus y, x minus z is equal to minus 2, and x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. X plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus z is equal to minus 2, x plus 2x minus z is equal to 2. Okay. So, this system, there is no y term. So, we take in the second equation, coefficient of y is equal to 0, x plus 0 y minus z is equal to then the second equation, coefficient of, there is no y term, then we take a coefficient of y is equal to 0. Let a is equal to coefficient 1, 1, 1. Second 1, 0, minus 1. Third equation, coefficient 1, 2, minus 1. X is equal to x, y, z, column matrix. B is equal to right hand side constant 6, minus 2, 2. Then Ax is equal to B form, Ax is equal to B, then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. This is a method solving A inverse is equal, x is equal to method solving the linear equation, a variable matrix x, variable matrix is the column matrix x, y, z, x, capital X is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. So, as like previously, first we find a adjoint of the matrix. First find adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix A11. A11 sign is positive. M11, delete the row and column. Then we get a determinant, delete first row, first column, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Then answer is 0 into minus 1, 0, 0 minus, minus of minus plus 2 is equal to 2. A1, 2 is equal to negative M1, 2. M12 it is negative, or delete the row and a column containing first row and the second column, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, A cofactor of the element 1, 3 is equal to delete the first positive sign into delete the row and a column containing first row and the third column, determinant 1, 0, 1, 2 is equal to 2 minus 0, 2. A21. A21 is the negative minor of the element A21. Then we get delete the first column, first, second row and first column. Then we get determinant 1, 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to minus of minus 2 minus 1, 1 into 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 plus 3, a 2, 3, 2, 2, positive into minor of the element, 0, delete the second row and the second column, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Then answer is minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Similarly, a 2, 3 is equal to negative into, delete the second row and the third column, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. Answer is 2 minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Similarly, third row, a 3, 1 positive into third row and first column, delete, determinant 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Minus 1 is answer. A 3, 2 is equal to negative into minor of the element, 2. Delete the third row and the second column, we get a 1, 1 minus 1. Answer is minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. A 3 is equal to positive into minor of the element, element minus 1, this minus 1, delete the third row and the third column, we get a 1, 1, 1, 0. Answer is 0 minus 1 minus 1. Then adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the A1, 1, 2, 0, 2. Again second 3 minus 2 minus 1. Again third minus 1, 2 minus 1. This is the adjoint of the matrix. 2 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 1, correct. So, x is equal to 1 by A inverse 1 by determinant of A into adj into B. B determinant of A, find a non-singular possible only. Then we get determinant of A is equal to A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. So, answer is A11 1 into cofactor 2, A1 into cofactor of the element 1, 2, 0 plus cofactor 1 into A13 into A13, 2. Then answer 2 plus 2, 4. Then substitute x is equal to 1 by 4 into adjoint 2, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1 into B. Right hand side column matrix 6 minus 2, 2. Multiply, we get a answer 1 by 4 into row with row 2 into 3, 2 into 6 plus 3 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2. Again 0 into 6 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2. Again R3 with the C1, 2 into 6 plus minus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2. Simplified answer 1 by 4 into 12 minus 6 minus 2. 12 minus 6 minus. So 4. Here 0 plus 4 plus 4. 8. 12 plus 2 minus 2, 0 cancel, 12. Then answer x, y, z is equal to 4 by 4, 8 by 4, 12 by 4. Then answer is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, solving x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. This is the answer. So, we solve by matrix method 3 linear equations in 3 variables given from the coefficient matrix A, variable matrix X, right hand side constant matrix B. Then find the adjoint of A using 9 cofactors. Then adjoint of A find. Then determinant of A find if determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, we can find a 1 by 0 is not defined. So, possibility only A is non-singular. Then x is equal to formula 1 by determinant of A into adj into B. Then substitute the values determinant of A, adjoint of A and right hand side constant matrix. Then multiplication we get a result. Variable matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, equating x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. This is the method solving system of linear equations by solving method. Yes, assignment. Solve 5x minus y plus z is equal to 4. 3x plus 2y minus 5z is equal to 2. X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 5. So, try 5x minus y plus z is equal to 4. 3x plus 2y minus 5z is equal to 2. X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 5. So, answer become x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. Try to answer. First, adjoint of A, determinant of A, then multiply like this way. The x, y, z is equal to column matrix 1, 2, 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. I stop here. Thank you.